This is where they've been taking down the casitas. These were all like businesses and bars, and they all ripped them down. They're putting these things up. It's the new part. Oh yeah. Where's my boy Danielle? Yeah. Where's see, this used to be Danielle's shop and Bob Barker. Donde está Bob Barker's Gandhi. These all used to be shops. These are my guys I used to come into, and yeah. No mas. He said he was having a going out of business sale. I guess it didn't last long. Hey, mi hermano, ¿qué lo que? Esta es mi sombrina from Canada. Sombrina. ¿Cuál es tu nombre otra vez?
Antonio.
Antonio, of course. Antonio Poco Rico.
Es muy saludable un poco.
No, she no gusta. Ella no
para
gusta.
Vivir y para comer.
No gusta. She wants a breakfast. I'll see you later, Antonio. Coconut guy. Antonio. He drives a Cadillac.
No way.
Yeah, I saw him out one night, dressed to the nines, driving a nice car. I'm going, oh, my coconut guy's got some dough. He's not actually my coconut guy, he's the beach coconut guy, but my coconut guy is on the side of the road, and his name's Ray. R-E-Y, like king. So, just a few left here. Hola, amigo. Todo bien, todo bien.
Oye, yo te dije que a las 12 te voy a pagar.
Sounds like an argument, but... Daniel, ¿qué pasa? ¿Dónde es Bob Barker? Okay. Ah, it's gone. This is my niece.
Ah, your niece.
So where's your shop now?
Here, that's here.
Okay, bueno, okay. Danielle and Bob Barker. Okay, bueno. Okay. We're just going to see Christian. I'll see you on the way back. Ciao. What?
A taste of Brooklyn. We got like tablecloths in New York City. That's cool.
It's all good. What are you hiding behind your clothes for? What's up? You're not going to sell anything hiding back there.
No, I'm out.
You got to get out here and get your monkey suit on.
Good morning, guys.
Oh, ¿dónde está Bob Barker? ¿Dónde es Bob Barker?
¿Cómo
He's
estás?
here.
Hola.
Hola.
Esta es mi sobrina.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Sobrina.
Brooke. Call me Bob Barker. Nice to meet you.
Bob Barker.
She's your
Sobrina. Sobrina. Sí.
your niece.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Nice to
So
meet
this
you.
is where Bob Barker is now, 37. And what number's Daniel? I don't know. He's down there. We're just going to see Christian, so we're going to keep walking. I'll see you on the way back.
All right, brother. You have a
Good
nice
to
day.
see you.
Nice to meet you.
Vende. Vende mucho. So, were you down here with your dad?
No.
You didn't come to Sosua?
We just parked there and then we walked in, but we didn't come
Oh,
down here
okay.
at all.
Mucho negocio hoy. Mucho negocio hoy? No, lento. Lento. No shopping today. Hola.
Oh, that's a truck.
Yeah, truck. Good place to take a photo, probably. And then a little mini market over here. Malania mini market. Hola, mi hermano, ¿qué es lo que? Todo bien. Some locals don't mind being on camera, but lots of them don't like it. Especially the chicas, they don't want to be on camera. So I try not to record when I'm coming down here, but... Hola, good morning. ¿Cómo estás?
Bien, una mesa, una silla.
No, gracias. We're going down here. Hola, hola. Which one?
Smiley.
Oh, yeah. Smiley Niley. Does your N have an E or not?
Nope.
Didn't think so.
Same as Claude.
Yeah, I didn't think so either. But I'm pretty sure Claude didn't have one either. Hola, amigo.
You go on the beach?
Yeah, we go see my brand down here. Gracias. Sí.
I'm your friend.
Yeah, maybe one day. Hola, amigo.
Todo bien.
¿Todo bien? ¿Dónde está David hoy? ¿No aquí?
Sí, en 10 minutos.
Ok, ok. Gracias. ¿Dónde está? ¿Dónde es? Where is? ¿Dónde es? ¿Dónde es David? David is my friend over here. Passes out flyers for me on the beach sometimes. And tries to get numbers, names of numbers of people that want to buy real estate. It's hard to do when you don't have a phone. Smiley Niley. So that's always good for a 7-minute update on the beach. There's been so many changes going on down here and in town. Hola. Hola, amigo.
You good?
Everything's good, you?
You good. I know.
No, gracias for going down to see Christian. Ah, David! I was just asking for you.
Yeah.
¿Cómo está?
You need to call me when you need me. I
Why
send
do
you
I
many
call you? You
people.
don't have a phone.
Yeah, I send you many people. I usually have my phone.
You got a
in my
telephone?
pocket. Yes.
Are you
the
WhatsApp or no?
No WhatsApp, on phone, on directly phone.
Here, say hello to YouTube.
Hello YouTube, how are you? I'm David Job in Oscar. I work on the beach. Welcome to see you. To me, my phone number is 29-602-9605. Coming in Sosua, we will make big business. God bless you a lot.
Ah, that's nice, man. That's a good point for us to say goodbye.